Third example, tan A upon 1 minus cot A plus cot A upon 1 minus tan A is equal to 1 plus sec A into cosec A. Here first we write LHS. This is our LHS, and with the help of this LHS we will prove our RHS. See this, tan A upon 1 minus cot A plus cot A upon 1 minus tan A. Now we convert tan A and cot A into sin and cos. Therefore, series LHS is equal to, here series tan A means sin A upon cos A divided by 1 upon 1. This 1 means we write 1 upon 1 minus cot A means cos A upon sin A. Same way we write here, same to same. Cot A means cos A upon sin A upon 1 upon 1 minus tan A means series sin A upon cos A. This way we convert tan and cot and tan into sin and cos. Therefore, LHS is equal to series. We write here sin A upon cos A divided by this sin A into 1 means sin A. Sin A into 1 means sin A minus 1 into cos A means cos A upon product of denominators 1 into sin A means sin A. Same way we write for this plus square bracket cos A upon sin A divided by, we write this way, then becomes very easy. Cos A into 1 means cos A minus 1 into sin A means 1 into sin A means sin A upon 1 into cos A means cos A. Square bracket complete. Now we write here series LHS is equal to sin A upon cos A multiplicative inverse. This division we convert into multiplication, that is sin A means denominator becomes numerator and numerator becomes denominator. Sin A minus cos A. This is our denominator. Same way here series plus cos A upon sin A divided by, we convert into multiplicative inverse, then denominator cos A becomes numerator and numerator becomes denominator cos A minus sin A. Now here LHS is equal to product series sin A into sin A, sin square A upon cos A means product of these two and product of these, cos A into sin A minus cos A. Here, now see this, we want here, see this way, sin A minus cos A, but here cos A minus sin A. So we want sin A first and cos A later. So we write here, see this, here we change sign of this. We take this minus here and we write, see this, here cos A into cos A, cos square A upon sin A. We write this sin A as it is and we change positions of these two, means sin A comes here and cos A goes there. Therefore, sin A minus cos A. This is our second term. Means here minus into plus, minus, minus into minus, plus. Now here we make denominators equal or cancel this bracket. There is no need of this bracket. Now we equate denominators because here sin A minus cos A, sin A minus cos A, but here sin A and here cos A. Therefore we equate denominators, so we multiply here by sin A and we multiply here by cos A. We multiply here by cos A. Therefore, we equate denominators by this way. LHS here, sin A cos A and this bracket, sin A cos A and this bracket means denominators. We have equated denominators by multiplying here by sin A and multiplying here by cos A. Therefore, our denominators here, sin A into cos A, sin A into cos A into this bracket, sin A minus cos A. Now here sin A into sin square A means sin cube A. Here minus cos square A into cos A means cos cube A. Now we apply here expansion formula A cube minus B cube. Therefore, see this, LHS is equal to, see this carefully or I will write here, see this, LHS is equal to, we apply A cube minus B cube formula means sin A minus cos A, sin A minus cos A. Second bracket, see here, A cube minus B cube means A plus B and second bracket A square means first term square plus second term square plus sin A into cos A upon this denominator as it is. See this, sin A into cos A, see this denominator, into sin A minus cos A. Therefore, LHS is equal to, see here, sin square A plus cos square A. First we cancel this numerator sin A minus cos A and denominator sin A minus cos A. Now sin square A plus cos square A means 1 plus remaining sin A into cos A upon sin A into cos A. Now here we give separate denominators to 1 and sin A cos A. Therefore 1 upon sin A cos A means this denominator to 1 separately and to this sin A into cos A upon sin A into cos A. Now here sin A cos A upon sin A cos A cancel. Therefore here 1. Here 1. Now when we write here 1 into 1, then see this 1 upon sin A. 1 upon sin A means cosec A, and 1 upon cos A means sec A, and this is 1. Therefore our final answer, see this final answer here carefully, see this. Therefore LHS is equal to, see this, 1 upon cos means sec A, and 1 upon sin means cosec A, plus 1. This is our RHS. Very important example.